Right, we're back again here at the menu. I've actually plugged the wired LAN connections back into the Xtreamer now because this morning for some reason I'm having a problem with wireless. So in order to do the review I figured it's time to do that. So if we go back to media library now, USB you'll notice is no longer accessible, it's greyed out. That's because I've removed the USB device I had in a few moments ago. So now if we choose network, I now get to see all of this information. So here I pick my network name, which is AE Home, and I can see my Windows 7 machine, which is upstairs, and my Windows Home Server. So I choose my Windows Home Server. It asks me for a user ID and password. So bear with me while I type that in. Right, so I've now typed in the username and password. Obviously didn't want you guys to see it. You also have an option then to save that username and password to the device, so you don't actually have to do that over and over again. But anyway, here I am. Here are all my shared folders. So for example, if I go down here to videos, you can see all the videos I have stored in here for playback and test. So could be anything here that I want to choose. So for example, if I chose that, this is me streaming last season's finale episode of CSI New York. So that works well, and as you can see, this is streaming over the network, perfect pitch quality, perfect sound, no problems at all. Very happy with that. So let's stop that, otherwise I'll end up watching that again and we'll never get this review done. So if we go back to here, to the menu, and if I go to photos, just to show you photos, and I have a choice between two different folders, Starbuck and Apollo, who are my cats, and Vegas when we went on holiday. So let's pick Starbuck and Apollo, and here are all the pictures. So I can have a look at a particular one if I wanted to, say this particular one. And there's Starbuck, looking very cute as usual. So anyway, so let's come out of that. And if you actually leave it, it will automatically go into a slideshow for you. Let's go back to the main menu now. And this time let's choose the last option that we've not actually had a look at yet, which is Internet. Internet basically means you can stream content off of the internet, exactly as you'd expect. So you've got a number of options. You've got YouTube, movie trailers, technology and gadgets, etc. So let's have a quick look at movie trailers. So you select that, and you've got the choice of Apple trailers, Hollywood trailers, etc. So let's pick Apple trailers just for now. And you can choose whatever you want. So for example, the G.I. Joe trailer. Now as you can see, the quality is not as good as the content that we were just streaming. Let's actually just stop that. And that's because obviously we're streaming over the internet from a source that we don't necessarily know what the quality is. So that's why it's like that. And that, in a nutshell, is the Xtreamer. Very, very good, cheap, small device, easy to set up, easy to use. Why don't you go get one now?